In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another color variation to your Amazon listing. If you already sell a product and want to offer it in an additional color, this walkthrough will help you set it up correctly so shoppers can choose from all options on a single product page. Start by signing in to Seller Central, then head to Inventory and open Manage All Inventory. This is where all your active listings live. Locate the product you want to expand. In the row for that item, click the small arrow next to Edit. From the drop down, choose Add Another Variation. Be sure you're on the correct ASIN because you'll be attaching the new color to this existing parent listing. Next, you'll choose the variation theme. Pick color if you only sell different colors, or color size if your product varies by both color and size. The theme you choose determines which attributes Amazon expects from you. Once selected, click Add Variations. Think of the parent as the umbrella product and each color as a child under that parent, so customers can browse all options in one place. Now enter the details for your new color. Provide the product ID required for your marketplace, such as a UPC, EAN, or GTIN. Create a unique SKU for this color so your inventory and orders stay organized. Set the price, add the available quantity, and confirm the condition, which for most new products will be new. For example, if your parent is a t-shirt with existing black and blue children, you'll add red as the new child. Each color must have its own unique SKU and unique product ID, and you'll need images specific to that color to avoid customer confusion and returns. Go to the Images tab for the new color and upload the visuals. Add a main image on a pure white background that clearly shows the correct color. Then include additional photos that display different angles or details. Do not reuse the same main image across different colors unless they are truly identical in appearance. Accurate, well-lit images that reflect the true shade help reduce negative reviews and boost conversion. When everything looks good, click Save and Finish. Amazon may take anywhere from about 15 minutes to several hours to process and display the new variation. That's normal. After a while, visit your live detail page and confirm the new color appears in the selector and that the images match. If you see any alerts in Seller Central, resolve the flagged fields and save again. And that's it. Your new color is now part of your existing listing.